probably soon see. But they don't seem to get as excited when they're on camera. I mean, they still get excited. It's like, it's kind of a weird thing. What, buddy? What do you see? They don't understand why they can't just get out now. But it's because we're still on the road. It gets. I try not to encourage it too much. Sometimes I hit the brakes and that stops them for a little bit. But anyways, they really like Dino. And they haven't even seen a deer yet. That's the crazy thing. This is usually like when you come around the corner and the deer are there, that's when they get like this. But anyways, this is our little road down to Dino. We're coming up to the Peace Canyon Dam, or what we call the Little Dam. I think maybe the Sight C Dam will be the Little Dam. No, I guess this will always probably be the Little Dam. But as you can see from the transmission lines, that there's quite a bit of it here. Oh, I guess this hasn't been plowed yet. I know, I'll let you out here in a second. I don't know why this is maybe just where the sun was hitting. Alright, I'll let you out. Okay, this is where they like to go for a little run up ahead of me. We probably can't go into the campground. Alright, get going. They like to run. Anyways, we'll come back when we get closer to the lake. Alright, she should come flying by here. And there she goes. She had to stop for a poop. I'm guessing, I don't think anybody salted this because there's still too much snow, so this has got to be just from where sun's hitting. But as you can see, there's not any sun today. It's pretty foggy. That's left a nice hoarfrost on the trees, so that's kind of pretty for this time of year. It's still very warm, so that'll probably all be melting off if the sun does break through today. But this is our favorite place to go. Me, because I don't have to walk the several kilometers. And I can take them down here for a big run, and they'd probably go for a little swim and throw some sticks into the lake for them. And then we'll go home, and I will go back out to the shop and get some more scrapping done. But it's just boring stuff I'm doing, just trying to make space and clean up, and so it's nothing exciting. But lots of wire stripped and floors swept and this and that. But I know I've taken videos down here, but I never showed you the actual road down, I don't think. This is where a lot of people come down fishing in the winter because it doesn't freeze over. Or some of it does, but it never gets like fully frozen because it's still part of the river system, so there's a good current. Here they come again. She has absolutely no concept of cars and what they could do, so we gotta be careful with her. Anyways, this is Dinosaur Lake. She's gonna get killed. She'll come flying back. She's just got so much energy. He does too, but he's kind of gimbaled up, which It's keeping him from jumping the fence. Anyways, yeah, here we are at Dino. I gotta get out now and go play with those two.